Kingrinder manual coffee grinder, portable stainless steel coffee mill, 38mm/48mm burrs, K0/K1/K2/K3 series. Experience precision coffee grinding anywhere with the Kingrinder manual coffee grinder, engineered for coffee lovers who demand consistency, quality, and portability. Crafted from 420 stainless steel, this grinder features durable 38mm or 48mm burrs and a CNC machined aluminum body, offering both professional performance and travel-ready design. Small blue diamond key features. Precision burr system. Choose between 38mm or 48mm stainless steel burrs, designed for uniform grind size and excellent flavor extraction. Durable construction. Built from 420 stainless steel and aluminum alloy, ensuring long-lasting performance and corrosion resistance. Adjustable grind settings. Fine-tune your grind from espresso to French press, with clear step adjustments for perfect consistency.